Well, unfortunately, I can already tell you we have issues. Unless the parts inside expand when you add water. Welcome back to the Lost Cause Ranch. Today, I just got a notification that we're gonna have another yellow truck here in just a couple hours. That is right, we're finally gonna have a delivery from DHL. The long-awaited lost LS3 Defender parts. We've only been missing these since March. It's now October. Little backstory for those of you who have not been following along the past 7 months. 7 months, sad. Placed a 100-ish piece order out of the UK for a bunch of body-related bits for this guy. That is our Defender 90 that is currently in the process of getting a brand new GM Performance crate LS3. We also stuffed a brand new galvanized chassis and galvanized bulkhead in there, then proceeded to wait for 7 months for a bunch of parts that got lost in customs. There was a mix-up. We originally had 3 different packages shipped at the same time from the same place. 2 of them showed up. One of them got stuck in customs because it needed a watch form. I didn't order a watch. So the US Customs proceeded to send that one back to England. And in the middle of that process, DHL lost the package. And about a month ago, they finally found it. And then it got stuck in customs again. But today is the day we will have it at the ranch. Sasha's good news for today is she decided to lay in a pile of ashes from a fire we just had. Guess what that means, Sash? It's bath time again. I like the little lineup sitting up by the garage here. Still undecided whether I'm taking this or that tomorrow to a little Jeeps on the Mountain event. Do a little light off-roading. It's supposed to get down into the low 30s tomorrow night. So I'm not quite sure I want to camp in a tent. Not quite acclimated yet, and I'm a very fair weather person. But either way, now that we're in good shape on the building, we're gonna drop this stuff back off to the little brother. No more harness needed for me. This is how we do it in Iowa. There's some corn to pick somewhere, I'm sure. Let's carry ya. Here. First name? Joe. Thank you. Awesome. Appreciate it. Hey. Now you happy? Smell like England? Well, unfortunately, I can already tell you we have issues. Unless the parts inside expand when you add water, I think we're still missing some stuff. Is what it is, but at least I think we'll have some stuff. That's the way she goes anymore. But let's open it up, see what we got, and hopefully we can progress on some things with what is there. Hopefully it's just really well packaged. I mean, it is heavy. Good thing we got that before they want BK. Now I may have to eat some of my own words here. I think we got everything that wasn't back ordered here. I was a little thrown off on the box size. They efficiently packaged everything in there, and the OE sill channels that we're waiting on are still back ordered until this month, I guess. That's what threw me off on the box. Those are way too long. Here is some of the stuff. A couple more things laid out over here. Those guys look a little chooched out. We'll probably have to just get some different ones of those. But that's all that's wrong. After 7 months of being lost, I'm fine with that. We got some brake lines. But we got our lights, we got our grills, we got some more gaskets, we got some of these. That's what we needed. Some of those, a couple of those. And we got a lot of hardware. Don't we look good? But no, we have a lot of the miscellaneous stuff that we were missing. We got the bigger pieces in the first 2 boxes. And now we got the third that was missing most of the hardware, small pieces. The hardware and the small pieces were kind of critical. Kind of excited about these guys. These were a little bit expensive. Some nice stainless hinges. But those should at least not bleed rust 3 months down the road. New keys. But happy to have some good news on the parts front. We shall be rocking and rolling. We can start fitting some body panels. Really wanted to get the doors hung so we could figure out where the tub goes. You want the doors to fit, as it turns out. That would be mighty swell, wouldn't it?
The thing I'm most excited about that showed up in this shipment is these two bars and those brackets there. If you remember last time, we got the bar for our bulkhead delete on the rear tub, but nothing else. So that was kind of rendered useless without these guys. It even came with the construction. But right there is going to be the next big step in the body. I want to get that all sorted before we start mounting. On another note, most of you guys remember Ted's 2A that we dug out of a field in Ohio.
We picked that guy up right next to the old, I believe it's Longaberger. I'm not saying that right, but the basket company.
So we're in here trying to decide what is a bigger basket case, that or that.
Headquarters, the building that looks like a basket. Well, I ran across this guy at an auction the other day, so I had to grab it. It's gonna go well in that red 88 inch. So there you guys go. We have stuff to get going. We should have some updates on the LS3 Defender. Whipping out now. I'm excited. Shop's going well. Parts are here. Should have a gear for the camper next week. Things are really starting to hit on all cylinders. Feels like it's going right. Appreciate you guys watching. We will catch you on the next one. Make sure to stick around for this guy. Gonna be fun. All right, Sasha and I are getting all packed up for our little Jeeps on the Mountain event. Not gonna take the Eco. We're gonna take the old LR4 because as of right now, it's sunny and warm. So may actually camp, but may not. Sasha, you ready to freeze your nads off? Oh, just filled up our water. That little guy is good to go. We'll be prepared with Dr. Prepare.